Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can salvage underexposed or really dark photos using ChatGPT's DALL-E image generation model. So I've gone ahead and opened chatgpt.com. DALL-E is already integrated into ChatGPT itself, so all we have to do now is click on this plus icon in the prompt bar. Let's click on add photos and files. Let's go find the file that we want to salvage. And let's start building the prompt we'll be using. So take this image and adjust the exposure on the front subjects. Make it so that their faces are visible, but don't blow out the background. So a good rule of thumb is to be as descriptive as you can be with photos like this. That way you don't have to spend any extra time redoing your prompts and generating extra images. So let's give it a moment to analyze and create the new picture. And there we go. Compared to the first photo, this one is a lot better and the subjects are much more clearly in view. So I'm going to go ahead and download this for future use. And that's how you can use ChatGPT's DALL-E to salvage any underexposed photos.